This video is about what I call speech bubbles. Now what I mean by that is we've got this famous text here that we're going to read through. Now if you read it through without any emphasis or grouping of words, then it would just be like, in the deserts of Sudan and the gardens of Japan, from Milan to Yucatan, every woman, every man. So it's sort of like not too much idea about the speed or any kind of emphasis. So what I'm going to say is, and this is how a lot of people speak actually, they tend to group the words into little groups. In this case I've got 3, 2, 3, because it's actually from a song. You might know this song. So instead of just the way I spoke before, now it's like, in the deserts, one bubble, of Sudan and the gardens of Japan, from Milan to Yucatan, every woman, every man. Yes, that's probably more of a natural way to say this, but there's something else which happened when I was doing that, and that is what I kind of term is the sticking together of certain words. So we can see, for example, all the words are separate now, but when we group words, we also tend to stick words together. So instead of saying in the deserts, it's like in the deserts. So now the deserts, as you can see, is squeezed together, almost like there's one word there. And this happens a lot, I think in every language, but we're talking English here. And I've put even of Sudan, I mean it's kind of separate, but I've almost squeezed it together because of the way it's spoken. And the gardens, once again, squeeze those guys together. So you can see that a lot of the time words are kind of stuck together. Sounds a bit strange, but actually it's how things happen. Don't ask me. Get to this last part here, every woman, every man. Just a little bit of pronunciation. You may have come across this before, but every is not every. We tend to kind of don't pronounce that second E. So it's like every woman, every man. Now, it's actually from a song, but this singer, his name's Ian Dury, that sings, doesn't really sing this. It's actually kind of like a funky rap thing. So it's like, in the deserts of Sudan and the gardens of Japan, from Milan to Yucatan, every woman, every man. Ready to dance? In the gardens, no, in the deserts of Sudan. Okay, so you get the idea, but you got to sort of get into the rhythm of this, and if you get into the rhythm of that, you'll get the idea of these little speech bubbles and sticking these words together, because that's the more natural way to do it. Not just, I mean, we're talking about a song here, but in normal speech, that's what people do. Hope that makes sense. See you next video.